Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this quick video guys, I'll be showing you how you can create a video in Canva, how you can do some simple edits and so on. So let's get started. So here we are in Canva guys. So in this quick video guys, I'll be showing you how you can create a video here in Canva, how you can edit it, do a few edits and so on. First off guys, you want to go to the search bar and just type in video. Then you'll just select a blank template here to work with. There are video templates here in Canva that you can browse through if you needed some sort of inspiration. So that's an option. So select blank template guys, and then in here you'll just go ahead and start creating your video. So if you need to upload your particular video guys, you'd go here to uploads and do that. But for the purpose of this video, I'll just use videos that are here in Canva. So let me just find a video to work with. So this is a 19 seconds video guys. So say you want to add some text to the first 5 seconds of this video and then continue on with the remaining 14 seconds doing other edits and so on. What you can do is to just go ahead, drag your video over until it's showing up within the page like that, within the template like that. Once it's showing up like this, you'll just select it and then head up here to the scissors icon, and then you'll just drag it to the first 5 seconds. So once you have the timing that you need, in this case 5 seconds, select done, and then here guys you may just go ahead and add some text as needed. So I'm just going to type in conversations. That's what's coming to my mind now, so I'm just typing that in and just so here you can add your text guys. Go ahead and change the font style, change the color of the text. You may also do some other effects as you see me doing here. I'm selecting splice as the one to use and just make a few changes to your text. And change this to black. So there you have that. So here you have the text here, and we just have the first 5 seconds of this video. So to get the remaining 14 seconds guys, you just select to add another page, and then you'll just return to your video that you're working with, drag it over, and then select it to highlight it, drag this to the next 14. It's actually 14.7 seconds you're going to get. It was actually, it's 18.7 seconds in total. I thought it was more than that, but yeah, so we already took out 5 from that, so that means that we need to have 13.7 seconds here. I thought it was 19. So there you'll have it guys. So this is the remainder of the video. So once you have everything, you'd select done as you saw me do it there. You can go back to this page and then you can choose to animate your word. So for this, I'll just select tumble. And now I'm just going to play it to show you what it's looking like. So this text will show up just for the first 5 seconds and then it will go away and the video will continue. So let's look at it. So guys, that's how you can cut your video here in Canva. To add some text to the first part of it, or wherever in the video you need to add some text, animate the text, and continue with your video.
So that's it for today guys. If you found this video useful, leave a like below so I can know that you did, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well if you haven't already done so. Until my next video guys, I'll talk to you then. Goodbye.